What are you doing? Did you learn how to blow a whistle? Did you learn how to blow on a whistle? Are you going to be a clarinet player? Oh, gotta get a drink, then you can play some more music. There's probably a lot of spit going in there too. Oh, beautiful. That's your new Mickey Mouse whistle from Nora Furstel. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm going to sit everything up. Say night-night. We're getting ready for bed. Kisses. Kisses. Mwah. 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 Audrey, do you like cookies? Cookies? Do you need a cookie with your milk? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.